To remove its lighting effect of the brief notification pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap notification pop-up style. Tap add lighting style. In the effect section, select none. You can see in the preview when you set the effect to none, your phone will not light up the edge of the screen and will not show any effect around the pop-up. To save the change, tap done button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.